Hi guys, I'm making this video to explain the draft lottery ball process that our league uses for our draft lottery. I made a post about this yesterday that you guys can read on the league homepage, but this will just be a more visual explanation for those that like to see something rather than have to read through an explanation. So over here on the left, I have the post that I had from yesterday explaining the basic concept of how the draft lottery final standings of the league will lead into a lottery rank. So the team that finished with the best record that did not make the playoffs, in this case Energy Juice was the 9th place team, they will be ranked at top as ranked number 1, and the team that finished in last place, in this case Rum Runners, will be ranked 20th, and they will have a lottery rank of 12. This is important because the initial lottery balls are distributed based on this lottery rank. So as you can see, Energy Juice, who finished 9th, will have a lottery rank of 1. Llama Drama, who finished 10th, will have a lottery rank of 2. Slash Brothers, who finished 11th, will have the lottery rank of 3, so on and so on, until we get down to the bottom. Broken Unicorn, who had a final league standing of 19th, will have a lottery rank of 11, and Rum Runners, who finished 20th, will have the lottery rank of 12. The initial balls will then be distributed based on this lottery rank, so we'll just take the lottery rank number here in this teal column, multiply it by itself. So for lottery rank of 1, you multiply 1 times 1, you get 1 initial lottery ball. Let's say for Amigos Do Rondo, he was lottery rank of 5, so we take 5 times 5, gets 25 lottery balls. Eat Greedy had a lottery rank of 8, we go 8 times 8, gets 64. Broken Unicorn had a lottery rank of 11, we go 11 times 11, had 121. So this is just for the initial lottery balls. Trying to be somewhat similar to the NBA, the way that they do their distribution, but the NBA distribution promotes tanking. So in order to try and counterbalance that, our league also has additional lottery balls that can be won or lost based on 10 lottery balls are awarded per win, 5 lottery balls are deducted per loss. So here we have each of the same 12 teams that missed the playoffs with their records right next to them. And what we do is we just take the number of wins, plug it into the wins column, the number of losses, plug it into the losses column, and number of ties, plug it into the ties column. Ties are ranked, or ties are worth 0, so if a team gets a tie, they neither get extra balls or lose any balls, because a tie is a neutral outcome. But per win, for every win that they get 10 additional balls. So in this case, Energy Juice got 10 wins, so they would get 10 wins per 10 balls. They would get 100 additional balls earned, which is represented over here. Argy's team went 7, 11, and 2. So for the 7 wins times 10, they earned 70 additional balls. All NBA went 6, 14, and 2. So for their 6 wins, they get 10 balls per win, and they earn 60 additional balls. The losses, on the other hand, are penalized at half that rate, so they're penalized at minus 5 per loss. So Energy Juice went 10, 9, and 1, so they had 9 losses, minus 5 per loss, so they lost 45 balls. They won 100 balls, but they also lost 45 balls. Pretenders went 9, 10, and 1, so those 10 losses times minus 5 balls equals minus 50 balls deducted. Going back down, All NBA 6, 14, and 0. The 14 losses at minus 5 balls a loss meant that they lost 70 balls, and Rum Runners at 4, 16, and 0 for their 16 losses lost 5 balls per loss, so they in total lost 80 balls. This brings us to the very end where we put everything together. We start with the lottery rank over here. So once again, ranked 1 through 12. That gives us the initial lottery balls that we have distributed. So initially, Energy Juice has 1, Llama Drama has 4, Slash Brothers has 9, Pretenders has 16, Amigos Dorando has 25, Winner Winner 36, RG's 49, Eat Greedy 64, Thundercats 81, All NBA 100, Broken Unicorn 121, and Rum Runners 144. Now here we have additional balls earned per win. So once again, Energy Juice had 10 wins that earned them 100 balls. Winner Winner 8 wins, earned them 80 balls. All NBA 6 wins, earned them 60 balls. Rum Runners 4 wins, earned them 40 balls. Then we have total balls lost. So once again, Energy Juice 9 balls times -5, 45 balls lost. Pretenders 10 losses is -50 balls lost. Eat Greedy 12 losses -60. Rum Runner 16 is -80. So if we take the net of the balls earned and the balls lost, we get this column over here in teal. So as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of the 12 teams that missed the playoffs actually earned additional balls, while the bottom 4 teams actually lost balls. Since additional balls are earned for a 2-to-1 ratio as they are lost, all it takes in order to not actually lose balls is to win at least 1 game for every 2 losses. So, I mean, a 7, 14, and 0 would get Thundercats back up to a 0 net. But that's how our league is trying to not promote tanking. Basically, at the end, if the difference is moving up 1 spot or getting the additional lottery balls, every win counts as 15 lottery balls, because you not only win 10 but you do not lose 5, so you get a net positive of 15 lottery balls. At the end, if we take the 2 columns in teal, you can see initial lottery balls over here plus the balls that were earned plus minus. We have Energy Juice starting with 1 ball, earned 55, ends up with a total of 56. Slash Brother started with 9, earned 50, ends up with 59. RG's team started with 9, earned 15, ended up with 64. Thundercat started with 81, actually lost 10, so ended up with 71. Broken Unicorn started with 121, lost 30, so they ended up with 91. And Rum Runner started with 144, but lost 40, so ended up with 104. Once again, the purpose of these additional balls earned and lost is to prevent flat-out tanking and to reward teams who keep playing and trying to win until the very end. As you can see, although Rum Runners clearly had a big advantage in initial balls with 144, they also lost the most amount of balls, so it brought them back to close to the other people at 104 balls. Overall, if we want to see how the balls are distributed in a percentage, Rum Runner still does have the highest percentage of lottery balls, but it is at only 12.2, followed by Broken Unicorn and All NBA at 10.7 and 10.6. Then everyone else is somewhere between 6.5 and I'd say about 10. So everyone else is actually pretty close. So the draft lottery will be a true draft lottery for the first 4 picks. Just remember, it is only for the first 4 picks. Everything after that will be in reverse order of final standing. So let's say Rum Runners does not win any of the draft lottery 4 picks. The worst they can finish is with 5th pick. The worst Broken Unicorn can finish with is 6th pick. The worst Broken All NBA can finish with is 7th pick, and so on and so on. Anyways, I'll make a separate video for the draft lottery. I don't have a set time yet, but I will let you know when that happens. Thanks again.